Hey guys, so this is the G5 Mecha from Umidigi, and I'm actually quite surprised because there is a G3 Mecha which belongs to the G3 series, the latest family of products from Umidigi. So I think the G5 Mecha might belong to another series that will be coming from Umidigi very soon, but I'm only speculating. Alright, anyway, let's explore the features of this phone. So this phone looks like a rugged phone, like it's designed like a rugged phone. It has rubber corners, and rugged phones usually have rubber corners. It helps make the device more resistant to shocks. But after checking the specs of this phone, I discovered that there is no mention if it supports IP68 and IP69K or any kind of protection, but its specs are not disappointing. The device is going to be running on the Android 13, which is great. Under the hood, it's going to be powered by the Unisoc T606. The phone sports a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, and the screen to body ratio is 89.2%. So in terms of memory, the device utilizes 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage is included. That can be expanded up to 1TB via SD. The battery capacity of the phone is huge. It's a 6000 mAh and it supports 10 watts charging, which is disappointing in my opinion, because lots of cheap devices are shipping with super fast chargers. Some of them even ships with a 33 watts charger. An example is the Redmi Note 12. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup which consists of a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture and an additional 2MP depth camera. The water drop notch houses an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. So these are the top features of the G5 Mecha. The device is going to be launching on the 12th of June for a very cheap price. Anyway, if you'd like to share anything about this phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.